were an early investor in Bitcoin. You bought some of the Bitcoin assets that were auctioned off by the U.S. Marshals with the shutdown of Silk Road. But you're also a big investor in the company. So tell me about how you take a look at the opportunities out there and how you view the ecosystem.
Well, I think crypto in general, and Bitcoin specifically, is transformative. Suddenly you have a distributed currency that is not subject to the whims of some political force or another. It can go across border, it's global. In fact, I think the word international is going to fade away and the new word global is going to come forward. And I think we've got the beginning of a major movement, and I think it's bigger than the Iron Age and the Bronze Age and the Internet age. This is the biggest thing that's ever happened to the world today. I think we've got one of the great opportunities as investors. We've got a great opportunity to participate through Bitcoin, through other crypto, through Coinbase, through other all these groups that are doing incredible things. And as a human, I think we've now got a world where there's going to be governance that's local, but then there's going to be this virtual governance that we're all going to be a part of, and all the various governments are going to be virtual and competing for us, so that they'll have to provide good service at a low cost, and that's something governments haven't had to do before.
Right.
So Tim, I totally agree with him. If you've been watching this channel, I do think that what's awesome about cryptocurrency, I see it as the anti-monopoly. When you have monopoly powers that are able to buy the government, influence the government, make the government do whatever they want, and that's why you do have these giant inefficient companies that can give terrible service and be super profitable. The one analogy I always use is airlines. And I do see cryptocurrency as that disruptor. Another analogy, and once again I agree with him, is this is the discovery of oil. And remember, oil was pretty worthless for a while because you really don't need oil until other technologies emerge. And that's what I feel with what we have right now in crypto. It's we have the oil, but we don't have the cars, we don't have the planes yet. And obviously there's a lot of people, an analogy they use is carpetbaggers. There's obviously going to be plenty of carpetbaggers that are going to come and try to scam people and promise people things and take advantage of the fact that this is a new technology, so there's a lot of attention and growth and investment. But if you're an astute investor and hopefully you watch this channel and you pay attention to some of the other YouTubers out there that provide great information, you decide to invest in the right projects and you get into this market before it obviously does blow up, because once it's regulated properly and once the mediums of exchange are properly set up, once again I'm going to use this analogy, when the cars and trains and planes are discovered and the fuel powered boats, once all of those mediums are set up, that's where the people who got in early, the people that understood the technology, the people that invested early are going to benefit and make, obviously a lot of financial reward. But at the end of the day, I like to justify all of this that, we're making humanity better. We're making it more efficient. We're breaking up big cartels, big monopolies. If the government wants to run a poor or support a poor industry or a poor company that doesn't benefit the consumer, crypto is a way to kind of rebel against this and go against big monopolies. And if you do have a chance, go through my videos I just recently posted about Max Kaiser. It kind of goes over this banking monopoly problem and how cryptocurrency will hopefully disrupt it and lower fees for everyone, which I think is great for the consumer. But let me know what you guys think. I think this is great news, and I'm very, very bullish on the long-term outlook of cryptocurrencies. And I will keep sharing good information with you guys, and please give me your comments. It really helps me improve and figure out what content is good and what content is not good. So I appreciate the feedback, and I hope to keep giving you guys good content. Thank you very much for your time, and I will talk to you guys soon.